Sum of cubes of first n natural numbers. As we discussed the sum of squares of first n natural numbers, similarly we can start with the relation that a raised to the power 4 minus a minus 1 raised to the power 4 is same as 4 times a cubed minus 6a squared plus 4a minus 1. And if we replace a as 1, 2, 3 and so on up to n, we will get 1 to the power 4 minus 0 to the power 4 is equal to 4 times 1 cube minus 6 times 1 square plus 4 times 1 minus 1. Replacing it with 2, we'll get 2 raised to the power 4 minus 1 raised to the power 4 is equal to 4 times 2 cube minus 6 times 2 square plus 4 times 2n minus 1. Similarly, the last one will be n raised to the power 4 minus n minus 1 raised to the power 4 is equal to 4 times n cubed minus 6 times n squared plus 4 times n minus 1. Adding all these terms, we'll see that all the terms will cancel out on the left hand side except n to the power 4. So we have n to the power 4 is equal to 4 times 1 cube plus 2 cube and so on up to n cube minus 6 times 1 square plus 2 square and so on up to n square plus 4 times 1 plus 2 plus so on up to n and negative 1 added n times, so that is negative n. We can write it as n raised to the power 4 is equal to 4 times what do we want to find, the sum of cubes, so we can call it as s, 4 times s, negative 6 times, we know the sum of squares of first n natural numbers, so we can use the formula n times n plus 1 times 2n plus 1 over 6 plus 4 times the sum of first n natural numbers. We can find it by using sum of AP formula, which is n plus 1 over 2 minus n. Simplifying this relation will give us s is equal to n square times n plus 1 square over 4, which can also be written as n times n plus 1 over 2 whole squared.